Hey guys, welcome to today's video. So it is time again for another Stitch Fix unboxing, this time by a stylist, which is me. And I feel like I just did this like 2 weeks ago, and then my box just arrived today. Now again, because you're here, I'm assuming you kind of know what the drill is with Stitch Fix, but just in case you don't, it is a clothing subscription service, and you pay a $20 styling fee to have a stylist curate a box for you that contains 5 items. Clothing, accessories, shoes if you want them, and then that box is shipped out to you, and you have 3 days to decide if you want to keep everything, if you want to send stuff back. Whatever you decide to keep, that $20 styling fee goes towards the purchase of whatever you're buying. And then whatever you don't like, you just throw in a prepaid envelope that we supply you, and you ship it back to our warehouse. Now, I've been styling for Stitch Fix for, I think it's 3 years. I had trouble in the last one remembering. I don't think it's been 4 years. It's been 3 years, and I do love it. And again, total disclaimer, I'm not here on behalf of Stitch Fix or trying to represent the company. I just happen to style my own fixes. I love getting these boxes. And the funny thing about this box in particular is this time of the year for me is really, really easy not to want to buy clothes, because it's like, I live in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, right? So really winter for us is probably gonna continue for the next month and a half, even though it's gonna be officially over here soon. So, you know, I'm like tired of wearing the same old sweaters all the time, and I'm seeing all this super cute stuff for summer thinking, yeah, I'm not gonna sit here and stare at that and torture myself for the next 2 months because I can't wear it. They give you information so you can track where your box is in the delivery process, and my boyfriend was like, are you spending the night tonight? I was like, no, I'm gonna go home today. I've got some things I need to do. Yeah, I need to tear into my Stitch Fix box. That's what I need to do. I haven't even peeked. I haven't even peeked to see what this stuff is like. We're gonna see it together. So the first thing I got was a pair of shoes. And when you order shoes from us, it comes in this super cute little bag, which I think is amazing for traveling. Again, just going over to my boyfriend's house across town, it's like, yay, I get to stick a dirty pair of shoes into my bag with all my clothes. So thinking about warmer weather, these totally caught my eye. Obviously, it's an orange-red suede, and I totally lost my train of thought. Wedge heel, and I thought they were super cute, so we're gonna try them on. But again, total shout out to the people in our warehouse who put together this beautifully packaged, beautifully folded bundle of joy for us all to tear into. I love the job that they do. It's immaculate. And I knew picking this out, I was like, this is gonna look so boring on film because everything's navy white, navy and white. Who's the popular blogger? Running in yellow? Living in yellow. Yeah, I should be like living in navy. The first thing that I grabbed was this lightweight sweater. Now, I love thick stripes. I just think it's so cute, like very vintagey. The one thing I was a little bit worried about when it came to this top was the fabrication. I was worried, knowing it was indicated as being lightweight, I was worried that it would feel, this is gonna sound so strange, but you know you pick up some sweaters and they almost feel like nylon-y? I don't know if that's making any sense, but I tend to not like that type of fabrication, but I love navy and I love white and I love thick stripes, so I could not resist this. Plus, I'm gonna show you an idea I had for it that involves wearing it with a skirt. And let's see. So continuing on from the last video, as we approach the summertime, I am always on the hunt for really pretty, breezy white tops to wear with shorts or even jeans. I tend to live in jeans and a white top in the summertime, and this totally caught my eye. Like, I love, love, love the detailing on the back. And it feels really cute. It has kind of that dot. You're probably not going to be able to see because the sun is blazing. I'll give you a close-up later, but it has that dot fabrication. I think it's called a Swiss dot fabrication, which adds some interesting texture. It feels really soft too, so I like that. And then, so dresses, like in the summertime, I'm constantly wearing dresses. I love me a good knit dress, and I thought this was adorable. Again, navy and white, one of my favorite color combinations. Super cute, floral. It is brushed knit, so it's very, very soft. I can't wait to try this on. And the quest for jeans continues. Honestly, I feel like I just need to give up the ghost at this point and accept the fact that the jeans I have are the jeans that are sticking with me. This is a brand I've never tried before. This is Liverpool. So I'm super curious about these. You know, obviously darker rinse. The test for me is gonna be the stretchy factor. Like, I know most jeans these days have a lot of spandex in them. I don't particularly like that. I like my jeans to be predominantly cotton. As I've said before, I would much rather stuff myself like a little sausage into my jeans just to have that structure versus something that's overly stretchy. But I wanted to try out this brand. They are high rise and just, you know, a clean hem at the bottom. So I am going to try everything on, and we'll see. When you order a box from Stitch Fix, they include this style card, and it basically indicates like every piece we've sent you. And then what's nice is they give you a visual guide, some ideas on how you can wear it. And then in this section here, this is where, like, for example, if you were my client, where my note to you would be. Now, obviously, because I'm a Stitch Fix stylist, I just wrote, you know, like filler. Okay, so here is that super cute navy and white dress. And again, in the summertime, I live in dresses like these. I just want to throw on, get out the door, look cute, and feel cool, meaning like not be overheating. And so this immediately caught my eye. Again, excuse the pale situation. I really need to tan, but I haven't seen the sun in like 5 months. So very, very comfortable and cute. It does have an elastic waistband, but I just think this is absolutely adorable. And what I love about dresses like this is how versatile they are. You know, I could throw on a simple sandal and like my little straw hat fedora and be, you know, casual, cool, or I can dress it up again with my nude heel if, you know, the boy and I are going out to grab dinner. And here we are trying to find another white top, as in the last video, to go with shorts like these. This pair I also got from Stitch Fix last summer, and I love pairing shorts like this with just like a super breezy, really easy, breathable white top. This number one is too small. It's a little too tight on me, so that's something. And it's also not as breathable of a material as I would have liked. And it literally just dawned on me the other day that really what I'm looking for is a linen top to really keep me cool during the summertime. This is a rayon polyester blend, so it's got more of a weight to it. So here's a close-up of that top, and you can see the detailing on the center of the bodice, and then it extends to the back. So that's all open crochet along the shoulder blades. It's really, really pretty. It reminds me of something boutique inspired. And here is the striped sweater, which I totally fell in love with as soon as I saw it, because this is how I envisioned wearing it. And again, the skirt, I know you saw it in the last video, but I have in my mind a couple outfits that I want to have in the rotation for not only like fun date night outfits, but my other job that I do requires me to appear on local TV from time to time, and I like to have super cute, very flirty outfits in the rotation for that. So I saw this, I was like, oh, that'd be perfect with my favorite navy blue skirt. The fabrication itself is lightweight, and I knew that when I put it into my cart, which was appealing, again, for this time of the year. It is soft, it feels good against the skin, and so I want to see what it would look like with jeans. And here's that sweater with the jeans from Liverpool. Again, they are high rise. It's a normal fly. It's not a button fly like the last pair. And these are definitely giving me like jeggings vibes, Very similar to every other pair of jeans that I tend to try on these days. I know that's really popular to have them like super, super stretchy, which I just don't particularly care for. I like my jeans to be, as I said before, more cottony. Like, I don't mind stuffing myself in just to have more of that structure in the fabrication. But the rinse is really nice. They are comfortable and they do definitely stretch, but it's not as pronounced as that last pair. So I put my jeans back on just because I wanted to show you guys the outfit idea that I had in mind when I first spotted this sweater in our inventory. So the first outfit I had obviously in mind was to wear it with that navy skirt, but then I was also thinking like, oh, that would look so cute with a pair of jeans and again a little heel, or big heel, but a killer pair of heels and then my straw fedora. Here's something too, like, always look for ways that you can tie an outfit together, right? To create a really cohesive look. That's gonna be something different for everybody. But for me, what's tying this look together is the hat matching the shoes. So obviously having that like color up here matching what's down there, to me helps pull everything together. You know, yeah, I could throw this on with just a pair of casual kicks, no hat, and it'd be fine, but there's just something about that structured look that to me just, it feels good. And that's what I love about an outfit like this. So whether you're trying to tie your look together with a particular accessory or a hat or a pair of shoes, just look for that cohesiveness. And I'm telling you, like, you'll feel it. It'll be like a visceral feeling like, ah, yes, nailed it. Before I even start talking about the shoes, I have to show you this little detail that I literally just noticed when I unpacked them. Okay, see that little white piece of cardboard there in the shoe? That is such a nice touch. That's like a little sanitary measure. So as you're, you know, trying on shoes, you're not feeling like you're stepping into somebody else's toe jam. I just think that was such a nice touch. And I definitely like them. I can totally appreciate the wedge heel. Like, I love wedges. I could run all day in a wedge heel, even one that's this high, and still feel really comfortable. So that definitely has it going for them. And of course, after yammering on and on and on about how easy it is to resist buying any clothes this time of the year, I ended up getting both the sweater and the dress just because I love them both. You know, you pick up like a piece of clothing and you just, it's like your soulmate. There's just a connection there. So I couldn't resist those two items, but the rest of it is going back. So let me know what you guys are eyeing for spring. I know a lot of my clients lately have been asking for denim skirts. That's like a huge thing. Wide leg jeans. I'm totally into like that 70s boho look. And then what else have people been asking for? Mainly like color and pattern. I think everybody's just so sick and tired of winter. They want like pops of color in their fixes. If you're interested in signing up for Stitch Fix, I will leave my affiliate link below. Now, anybody that gets a Stitch Fix box automatically gets an affiliate link. And if you use my link to sign up, I get a $25 credit to use on my own Stitch Fix purchases. I'll also leave just the main website. If you prefer not to use an affiliate link, you can just go through that portal and sign up and do it that way. But in any event, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.